Righto, there it is. Make life a little bit easier. Oh, trip over all the rubbish on my floor. There we go. So yeah, not bad actually. This is from Bunnings, and she's pretty sturdy. A lot better than these old things that rock around. It was it's pretty easy to do. I sort of just taking my time. A couple of stupid little mistakes you make. The only thing that I've got against it is the little feet that they put on the bottom. They're pretty cheap. But I suppose, you know, if you're not going to go moving it, it's not going to worry you. But yeah, I would have liked something twice as thick as the little pads on the bottom, which are just those things down there. Yeah, but other than that, it's not a bad little unit. It's going to get me out of trouble. It'll have to be moved again, but you know, I can just put all my stuff that I need on there and work straight to the workbench. Alright, hope it wasn't too boring for everyone. We'll come back with some other build or something very soon. Right, I hope, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, just give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down, I suppose. Let us know what you think. Alright, catch us all later.